get a cup of coffee first.
Coffee with milk, cappuccino.
This is coffee. Get to know it because you'll need it throughout your visit in Croatia. Kava sa mlijekom, bijela kava I kava sa šlagom. Doesn't matter how you say it, just figure out how you like it. Coffee culture is extremely important here in Croatia, especially here in Dalmatia.
People drink lots of coffee here.
I make hundreds of coffees every day.
It's gathering. You talk to people, you drink coffee, one coffee, two coffee. Even we have people who drink four coffees in 2 hours and talk and chat about everything. I think that we have great culture in the coffee than Italians who made the coffee. I like my coffee to be filled with aroma, not the strength.
We take a lot of care of this product, from the raw beans to the roasting, and then
All the details.
All the details, yeah.
Because the whole time we've been here, there's been people lining up. So you've done it all right. I wish I could cheers with that, but I know that's not the coffee culture either. Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's it, you know.
Really?
Yeah, we have the perfect view, and especially in the Saturdays when we call it spitza. Even better than going to the club. They were the finest and they walk 6-7 times down the river. That's why the men sit 2 or 3 hours.
They are laughing at me.